What recent report reveals the economic impact of Texas military bases? The answer uncovers staggering numbers showing how these bases fuel the state's economy and create thousands of jobs. The Texas Military Preparedness Commission released a comprehensive report in 2023 highlighting the vast economic influence of military installations in Texas. This study covers dozens of bases from Fort Hood to Joint Base San Antonio. It quantifies direct spending, job creation, and secondary economic effects across local communities. The report's findings show just how vital these bases are, not only for national security, but for Texas's economy as a whole. According to the report, Texas military bases generate more than $60 billion each year in economic activity. This includes direct spending on salaries, contracts, and operations. Even more impressive is the ripple effect. These bases support over 400,000 jobs across the state. That means 1 in every 20 Texas jobs depends on military spending, revealing a deep connection between defense and local economies. Beyond raw numbers, the report emphasizes how military bases stimulate growth in surrounding communities. Base personnel and their families spend money on housing, retail, and services. This spending boosts small businesses, increases housing demand, and funds local schools. The bases act as economic anchors, stabilizing economies in rural and urban areas alike. The 2023 Texas Military Preparedness Commission report reveals how deeply military bases support the state's economy, creating jobs and boosting communities. If you want more surprising insights like this, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.